The steering shaft is supported by a plastic bushing, which is worn out in this tractor, and a new one is available from Amazon and looks pretty easy to fix. First, I'm going to snap off the plastic cover with a screwdriver. Okay, and we can see a nut holding on the steering wheel. I'm going to use a 19mm socket to take off the nut. And a washer comes off. I've marked the positions of the shaft, a plastic insert, and the wheel, so I can put them back in the same positions. The steering wheel and the insert now lift right off. Looking inside with a flashlight, we can see the old plastic bearing and can reach in with a screwdriver and work it loose. I'm using a short screwdriver and reaching in just over the gas tank to pry that bearing upwards. Here's the old bearing. There's quite a bit of wear on the radius. Here's a view with the plastic bearing removed. We can see a notch at the very top, and the new bearing has a mating protrusion we want to line up. Here's the new bearing. We can see the protrusion on the underside, and there's actually a little arrow on the top. So we'll put this on with the arrow pointing straight up. I'm going to use a wooden block and a hammer to tap that bearing down into place. Okay, it's snapped in and things are a lot tighter. Now we just put the parts back together, lining up those marks. And putting the washer and nut back on. Now we snap on the plastic cap, and it's all done. The steering's as tight as new. Easy job.